I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this premium Japan Great Books Sword Art Online. So this is the little booklet which will spoil it. So this, I'm going straight in. This is the mini keyring. I'm guessing this is the candy kit that molds into vegetables. Peach candy. Lifeguard Goom. Kit Kat is a chocolate. Well, it is chocolate, but it's, I have no idea what nut and canberry, I'm guessing. This sword of gum. There you go. So these are some, I want to say lollipops, but they look more like, I want to say these are lollipops, but they more look like chewy candy than hard candy, just on a stick. Some chocolate mushroom thing. Oh, Midget truffle chocolate vanilla. See how much is in the box later on. Ooh. So this is a gummy candy, maybe shape as a hand. No idea what this is. It looks like chocolate. I'm gonna look at the booklet after this. Chocolate biscuit. Ooh. What? Ooh. Some stuffy piece of paper. So this is Cheetos, which is wasabi and cheese flavor. This is the Grape Mountain Dew. Custard pudding marshmallow. I think this is a sour sherbet. This is a sour sherbet. I am guessing. I'm gonna check in the booklet. I think this is chocolate tiger. It is like how close I am to the. So matcha flavored caramel corn. I've had these before. They're quite nice. Not this exact flavour, but I think it was a different flavour. I think it's tomato flavour. Or some other flavour. Smell your face. Did not realise this existed to the booklet. So this is I have forgotten. So let's see how close the estimation was. So this is a word puzzle, maze. Okay, this is it. So this is black honey and matcha caramel corn. Close. Yep, pudding. It's a pudding marshmallow. Chocolate animals. So this is a tiny gummy. Oh, so each, I'm guessing, I'm not sure if everyone gets this, or do they get one out of three? Possibly one out of three, maybe. This is a high five. A chocolate biscuit, yep. Chocolate cookie, wasabi Cheetos, yep. Oh, got it close, got it correct. Fruit salad chewy candy DIY, yep. sour. So that is the sour cider candy, the long strip. Yes, I think I got that correct. The key of chocolate, lifeguard goom. So there's a truffle and vanilla, nuts and berries. So it just says nuts and berries. I'm guessing it's Canberry, I'm not too sure. It just says ruby, so gum sword, it's all gum and a sued, Dutch candy flowers, sugar coated, so I guess it's just a squidgy candy. Mountain Dew grape, peach ninja candy. And this is 1 out of 3 options, so got the health potion. So could have got health, mana, or vitality, which was green. So yeah, pink. Just realised this at the bottom of the box. Little characters from Sword Art Online.